Hello buddies, welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can install apps to your Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, S8 and S8 Ultra. For this, you want to go to your Play Store and then this pops up and you have here apps recommended for you. You have top charts, you have children, and you have different categories. You have games also recommended for you, top charts, children, advanced, premium, and categories. And you have books, ebooks, audiobooks, genres, top selling, new releases, or top for €0, so for free. And when you go back, you have the search bar here, and when you know the name of an app you want to install, you can just put it in here. And then you can click on it and click on it again. And you have ratings and reviews here, you have more information. And then if you're sure to install this app, you can click on install. Then it will take a little while, and now you can open this app through the button here or uninstall it directly if you're like, oh no, mistaken, don't want this app. And then when you go back to your home screen and swipe up, you have Lieferando here, and then you can click on it and do whatever you like with it. So that's how you install apps to your Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, S8 and S8 Ultra. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, shoot and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.